Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use inositol powder. To begin, always mix your inositol powder thoroughly with water, juice, or another beverage. It dissolves easily, making it simple to incorporate into your daily routine. Start with a small amount to see how your body reacts, then gradually increase as needed. Remember to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice before starting any new supplement. When considering dosage, typical daily amounts often range from 2 to 18 grams. It's generally best to divide larger doses into 2 or 3 separate servings throughout the day. Taking your inositol powder with meals can help minimize any potential digestive discomfort. Consistency is truly important for experiencing the full benefits of this supplement over time. Many individuals use inositol to support their mood and cognitive function, finding it helpful for mental well-being. It can also play a role in regulating blood sugar levels, which is a significant benefit for some. Some users even report improvements in their sleep quality. While generally well tolerated, be mindful of mild digestive side effects like gas or bloating. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality of your inositol powder. Always keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Ensure the container is tightly sealed after each use to prevent clumping. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately. Remember, inositol is a supplement and not a substitute for prescribed medications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.